How to add photos and videos to a Facebook post. To get started, first of all open up the Facebook application on your phone. You will then be taken to the Facebook homepage. Here, you can view posts and stories of your friends or pages that you follow on Facebook. On this page, go to the bottom right corner and tap on Menu. Go to your profile at the top. Once you're here, scroll down and go to any of your posts from your timeline. Then, tap on the three dots above the post. Select Edit Post. Now, go to the bottom left corner and tap on the Photos icon. From here, you can choose photos and videos from your camera roll. Select the photos and videos that you want. Then, tap on Next below. Once you're here, tap on Save at the top right corner. You have now successfully added these photos and videos to your post on Facebook. Following these steps, you can easily add photos and videos to a Facebook post.